Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this section we will learn about sales psychology. In the first video we will learn about reciprocity. So this term is actually used for giving something for getting something. For example, if you will give something for free to your friend or to your customers, they will definitely feel obligated to give a response back to you. So in a result, they can purchase a new product, they can visit your website, or they can at the least give you well wishes, best wishes. So this concept is very important in sales psychology, and by utilizing this concept you can increase sales, and you can increase the visitors and views of your website and engagements. For example, if you are giving a e-book on your website for free, definitely your customers, your visitors will read that e-book, and after reading that e-book they will engage with your website again in the future, because they will feel obligated to give a response back to you. In 1974, a man named Philip conducted an experiment, and he have designed 600 cards for on the Christmas event, and he have distributed the cards to the strangers, and in response he received 200 responses from that strangers. So this is a very important concept. We should use it to increase our sales or the site visitors. So we are selling out a product, and if you will send a product to a customer, and that customer will receive your box, and on the box you have a note, a personal note for thanks to that customer, and you also give him a discount code. So definitely he will feel obligated to purchase a new product from your company. So this concept is very important, and we can utilize this concept to increase our sales or the visitors to our website. Thank you very much. Goodbye.